Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, Bitcoin update video. First thing in the morning, right now 07:51 a.m. Very early. This is the very most important video of the day because it will tell you if the alts are gonna continue performing well or not. Because even a slight pullback might even pull alts backwards. So we are doing this Bitcoin video every single day, first thing in the morning, just get a feeling of what market is gonna look like for the rest of the day. So if that's something for you, you know what to do with the subscribe button. That said, before we start, just a small shilling of my Patreon, because today is the 1st of May. Today, if you get the Patreon today, you get most benefit of it, because, you know, 1st of May. That said, if you have trouble picking out coins, don't know what to pick, because right now everything's going up and down, and usually people pick whatever it's up already 20, 30, 50%. Maybe you need some kind of help, and we got something called the daily altcoins video on the Patreon. Every single day, 30 altcoins, we rank them up and down. After this video, I'm gonna make that video for the Patreons, of course. So that's also one of the first thing I do during the day. So if that's something for you, check that out. Also, we got a Telegram group. Don't make me. There are just so many announcements. Telegram group down below. We are above 2,000 members now. Real nice community. Check that out. And the last thing I want to mention before we start, now we are getting ahead of ourselves. 1 million views on the channel, lifetime views today. So that's a milestone reach. So thanks everybody for watching the videos and you know, being sticking around. I think the community around this channel is literally growing real nice, and I'm enjoying it. So thanks for that. That's it. Let's get into the Bitcoin chart eventually and see what's actually happening over here. Okay, so you can see these targets we had, this like 53, 55, 77, 57, like it all got broken yesterday. Like everything got broken. This was actually support. 53 support. But 55,770, like we smashed that. Let's go into small time frames and see, did we even, like, yeah, you can see 55 cents, like we just got barely above it. Let's see on the 30-minute chart. You can see we got above it, we tested it, and then continue moving up. Let's see on the 5-minute chart how that looks. Yeah, we went straight up to the above the target, zigzagged above the target, and continue up. On the 1 hour, it's you can see the best went up there, stay there just for a second, and just continued straight up to the heaven. And you can see here this 57 target unbroken easily. 57 target was the moving averages 20 and the 50 moving average up here. That got broken also easily. So everything got broken literally yesterday on one day. Not only that, we are not even finished. The MACD cross came yesterday. I think previous Bitcoin video I said like we might use a couple of days to actually get the below. It just happened so fast because we pumped so much. We went from 53,500 to all the way to 57,000. And right now we are sitting above all the moving averages on Bitcoin. And I don't know if you understand how important this is, because right now we are super bullish on Bitcoin. We are not bullish, we are super bullish on Bitcoin because you are above all the moving averages again. Because you have to understand that the moving averages act as a support and resistance lines. So when you are in the middle of the moving averages, you got some above it, some below, or you are below everything. That means that there are moving averages above you that are acting as a resistance. Now when you are above all the moving averages, there is no resistance, it's just clear sky. Not only that, on daily we are above all the moving averages. On 4 hourly, you can see here that we got above the 200 moving average. We are above all moving averages. On 1 hourly, we are above all moving averages. On 30 minutes, okay, we a little bit below the 10 moving. But on the important ones, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, weekly, above everything, we are above the moving average. We are so bullish as bullish can be. Not only that, look at this. If we can close this on a weekly candle above this level up here, 56,150, that means on Sunday, today is Saturday, so tomorrow is Sunday. If we can close it above 56,150, we're gonna get something called bullish engulfing candle. You know, the Japanese candlesticks, you know, Japan is very important, so Japanese candlesticks must be important, you know, because those guys are important. The Japanese candle, these are Japanese candlesticks, candlesticks, and this candlestick, they got names, you know, depending where they lie, you know, patterns of candles, they form certain things. And these two candles, when you got a big red candle and then you got a green candle that's bigger than the previous red candle, when it's engulfing entire candle, it's called bullish engulfing candle. And this bullish engulfing candle is actually a bullish signal. So there is a lot of bullish signal right now. You got a weekly bullish signal, you got that we are above all the moving averages, you got a bullish cross, we are not overbought on RSI, not overbought on RSI. This bearish cross on the weekly will correct, and I'm telling you, it will correct. This is actually indication that we are actually hitting the bottom and not actually going into the bear market. And I showed in the previous videos how during the previous bull market, you cannot see here because there is not enough data on this chart, a previous bull market that was actually indicating of the bottoms. And I'm telling you that this is the bottom. We call the bottom on the live stream here at the daily down here, and we were actually like, it's not going to go down any lower than 46, because our targets are 46,500, and then we were maybe expecting 45,000 hit, like. But I was also saying to people, like, when everybody expecting a certain number, that number is likely to never be hit, because like everybody expecting it. So why should it be hit? Because if everybody expecting, then there are going to be people who are taking action before that target, you know, and changing them correction. So once we hit it, we were also watching this RSI hitting here very nice levels at 30, and I was also saying, like, these things do not happen often. This is a rare occasion you get a 30 RSI on the daily. So this is the bottom, this is it, and you can see this is actually confirmation. The first is actually confirmation that we are actually bottoming because we went above the 10 moving average, and today, yesterday we went above the rest of the moving averages, and we closed up above there. You can see today we are up at 0.77%. We can have today we can have a small pullback because we are a little bit extended on the 4 hourly from the 10 moving average and 20, and on the daily we are extended, of course, but we can have pullback maybe to the 50 or 20 moving average. That might come, or we just might continue today up. So today is a little undecisive what's gonna do, but because of all of this bullishness, we might actually just continue going up. So up or down, it kind of depends, but it looks nice. Long-term-ish, very good, but just for today, like, not quite, don't know quite what was gonna do, but I think it might actually be a good day today. It might actually be good today, but keep in mind that we might have actually also have some kind of pullback. Let's see on the 1 hourly. Yeah, to the 20 moving average or something like that, to the a little bit back, maybe to even to the 200 moving average here on 4 hourly. It all depends, but it looks very good. It looks very, I cannot complain about Bitcoin today. Super nice, nice move. I think alts are gonna perform decently today. Some alts are a little bit up, some are a little bit down. Some alts have been going way too much past days, so those alts might actually suffer a bit. We're gonna check that. Also, right after this video, I'm making the Patreon video. We got something called daily altcoins video. All my Patreons are asking me, like, in how many hours is your Bitcoin coming, you know? So Patreon video coming, because it's like fresh bread. You gotta get it fresh, you know, because we rank in that video, we rank like 30 coins up and down. We checked, we got the first division, second division, we got requests and stuff like that. Talk about, so if you got trouble like picking coins, stuff like that, check the Patreon. That said, also very important, get to the Telegram and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for everybody subscribing. I'm trying to hit 20k today if possible. It is in the realm of possibilities, still like 1,200 people to go, so, you know, jump on the board, jump on the train that's never stopping. Thanks guys for watching, see you around, bye bye.